Hello everyone, welcome to HTML training part 5 that we will learn about HTML list, HTML table. So for the part I will show you about only 2 points of HTML part 5. The first HTML list and the second is the HTML table. So mostly we know as before HTML it is a structure of code or a structure of website that we use it for design the website or template something else. After we can add the text or we can add the color, the style in HTML. We can create a list and the table for HTML also, right? For HTML. So now welcome to I will show you about the HTML, right? What is the HTML is, and we will study all together about what is HTML list and how can we use it, and about the HTML table, how we use it, right? HTML, okay. Okay, HTML table. The first we go to HTML table. HTML table is defined with the text table, and each table row is defined with the TO text. The table header is defined with the TA text. By default, the table heading and the below and center at the table data ceiling is defined with the text TD, right? Okay, so we will practice about the HTML table. How can it show like this, right? It is the HTML table that is the result of our code, right? So now we practice about this one, right? HTML table. So now make sure that you have already about the code, right? So now I create a file I put it index, right? Index.html, right. Okay, put index.html. Yeah. So now we can write about the HTML table. So now we put write dot type HTML, right? So we open text HTML, right? HTML. Click we open text and text, right? Okay. So in HTML it have a body, right? Body. And about the body, example I put VTR, right? Okay, so now we put TR, and in TR we have TH, right? TH. Okay, example I have 4, right? 4 like I have ID, right? The second I have name. First I have gender. The last I have job, right? Okay, so now I have created TO tag already, and in TO I have TA. So now I create one more TO, right? create one more gr. We can command this one, command. We put it title. Now column, you column. This property t of column, right? Okay. So we put there all. And in all we have td, right? Okay, we have td. So we copy paste about for also like before. So id I put number 1, name I put data, right? Data, and the gender I put male. It is a static. And about the id, name, only 4, right? Okay. About the job I put a teacher, right? Teacher. Okay, about the teacher. So we can create more as you want, but for this one we have create only one, or we can copy paste. It is better, right, to make it easier. Okay, and you put here id2, okay, id2 and data2. Female, you put female, right? Female. And you can add style, right? So the style of the table you need to write both way. The first you can put it in here, right? So I put style. Okay. Now I put here. Okay. Title. I put here HTML table, and I put a script. Okay, no need. I put style, right? Put it style. STY. ST style, right? So I put style. It is style inside or HTML. So okay, I add this one. Body, I put it table. Okay, body table. So body table. Cut it. Okay, put it there. Okay, and then I put style. Y, I put Y, DGA, UIDGA. Y, I put 100. Pixel, Y, pixel, and 100 question. In style I write here to table. The first we need to refer to the table th, right? Th and td. And here I put a border. Okay, I put one pixel and solid and black. Solid and black. White. Okay. And first, second I put a table the same. We put table th, right? td. Okay, sorry. td. And I put border. Okay, I put it one pixel. Solid black. and border collapse, right? Collapse border collapse. I put it collapse, right? Collapse. Okay. So we add the style on TD and TH. So we put the TH, TD, and we put here, and we put a pending. Okay, now I put a pending vertical, right? So about the TH, I add the outside of it. I put it a check line. Okay, I put it left, okay. And the table, I put the border spacing. I put a 5 pixel. Okay, put 5 pixel. So it will show the result. We can add style inside the index because we no need to link another, like we create a file CS one more if we want to write one file of style CS beside in index file. But now I created index file, so now we go to run the command. What is the result? So this is our file. So we right click and open with. Okay, I open with Google Chrome. So it is our result. It is ID, name, gender, job. So I explain you more about that. About the ID, it is TH that we write before, right? Okay, here TH, ID, name, gender, and job. It is the title of column, as we comment here. A title of column. It is title. This row it is column, and here it is cell. Here cell, right? So it is the title of column, ID, name, gender, and job. It is the title of column. And about the one, data, male, teacher, and the car, and the two, data 2, female, and teacher. It is the property of the column. So in one column have other property, like column ID have property 1 and 2, and column name have a property data 2, something else. So it is the cell, right? TD it is the cell. TD it is the cell, and the TO it is the full of control here, right? Okay, so it is the table. So now I show you about the style, because for the last or for before lesson I forgot to tell you about how to put a style in CS. So now I will tell you know a little bit about the style. We can write inside and outside. So the table we write style here, it is inside index. So we no need to link another file. So in style it is we put directly because it is in the same index, in the same file. So we can write a table, and table refer to this one table, and the th it refer to th, and td refer to td, and we put the style that this one it is property, it is the value, right? As we learned before lesson, it is the property, it is the value. So we put the property and put the value on the TO and TD, TH about the table. We put also, so that after we put this property, it will show the result like here. So here it is the table, HTML table. So make sure you are clear about that, about the TO, TH, and TD. So someone you ask me what is the result of TO, or what is the result of TA? So the table, it is that mean it is the tag that confirm all here. It is the table, one table, right? And here it is one table, and the TO, it is tag, open tag, that means a tag to consume on a TA here. I mean it is TO, it is break this one, and about the TO1, it is break this one also. TO, that means it row, right? So make sure you understand about that, right? TO and TA, TD. TD we put it for put the value of the column, and the TA it is we use it to put the title of the column, right? Okay. So now you understand about how to create table, and you want to make your table have attractive. More than that, you can add style in here. You can add style in here. You can add style in here as you want, right? You can add style as you want. So now it's finished about the HTML table. Now go to HTML list. So what is HTML list? HTML list have two types, unordered list and ordered list. So what is unordered list and what is ordered list? So under list, it is the list that don't have so something or don't have so signature for we count, right? As we hold here, it is the unordered list. That means we cannot order which one first, which one something else. But about this one, we know clearly which one is first because it have a number. So number one is first, number two is second, etc. So now I will show you how can we write to show them, right, about the HTML. So we go to the practice, and okay, we done to write the same, so we can drop style. Okay, we can drop a table. Okay, so now it have we can change the title of the content of our coding. Now I put HTML list, right? HTML list. So in the body HTML list, you have to write. It have two for unorder. We use UI, and about the order we use UL. So now we show you if we want to list the item that don't have an order, you can use UL, right? UL. Okay, now I will show you one by one. UL, and in the UL you can add some property like you add li, right? Li, this one. So I can here put there. Okay, copy paste. I put study. Okay, I put student. You put all you want, right? Okay, I put university. Oh, I put personal job. Okay, so here it is unordered. That means we use UI tag to consume, or that means to control all UI, right? Okay, so now we go to rerun our command. Rerun. Okay, so study, student, university, personal job. So it is another data or another item that we put. It is the list the same, but this list it is another list. Why another list? So now I put the other list. How can? So the other list we just change from UL to OL, right? OL. Okay, OL, and you put here. Okay, you put the LI. You put the LI. You copy paste, or you copy from this one. It's the same, right? We just a test to show you. Okay, so I put one. Okay, I put one. Okay, sorry. put 1, I put 1. Okay, so we save and we go to refresh here. So it is the order. It is the order list in HTML. So if you want to get the list in HTML, list of the item in your website, something else, you can try by two ways. So the first one is unordered list, and the second order list. So for the order list, we just use tag OL, and in the tag OL you have tag LI the same, the list item, and UL that mean unlist, that mean list that don't have order, unordered, right? So we can change UL to you can change OL to UL. It is unordered, and you want to order, you just OL put here. It will list the order as we show you here, right? Okay, so you understand about the list in HTML. So type of style, it have multiple or more than, as I show you, it have DIC, CIOCL, sequence, around, as you want. It is the style that we put here. So you can put style here as they show here, style list. So if you want to test to know clear, I will test for you. Okay, here we put UL. So like something number one, I put style, 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 I put list style, list style type, type, style type, disc. What is the difference? So we write here and we go to rerun our command. What is the sum to mark to order? Why? We can put a sign. The mean we put list, list underscore style dot type disc. Okay. So it will show you here to consume, and you can add style as you want, right? And you are. So here it is. Remember, you have we learn about the HTML table and HTML list. And about the HTML table, you just add style inside or outside as you want, and you can open check the table, and you can open check TO and TH, TO, TD, something else, and then you add style, it will get the result. And about the HTML list, you just use how to type. The first one is another list, and the second is order list. And another list you use UL, and order list you use OL, right? To the list of the item which we want to show on our website or on our page. So thank you for your watching my HTML training tutorial part 5. So for the next we will study about the HTML class. So thank you for your watching.